Here's Priority Pass Plus app access launches worldwide. So here's the app start every journey with Priority Pass. Enjoy access to 1800 plus lounges and airport experiences worldwide. We're rolling out the Priority Pass Plus app step by step. We'll notify you as soon as it's your turn to make the switch. You just activate your membership and you will access 1800 plus lounges and airport experiences worldwide. Pretty cool idea. It's getting into the top charts, as you can see in travel category in the App Store, but the rating somehow is super low. So here it is, difficult, inaccurate, forced upgrade without globally available. Terrible rollout, do not download, isn't ready, horrible, unable to log in. So seems the good idea, but seems something is not working. So in email address or with a phone number. So probably it's only working kind of in US or specific limited number of airports. But yeah, that's what it is. Have you tried it? Leave your suggestions in the comments. Seems it's still in a raw state, so there are quite a lot of glitches. The idea is good, but I'm just not sure it's completely working yet.